So guys, welcome to my slime video.
Wala po na dyan, last slide. Yung ano, may
I'm gonna get my real roller. This is Chris roller. And the first is mine. No! Let's try this. Whoa!
Dali rin yung nilagay dyan. Putol.
Oh! Let's try out this.
Lalagayan mo sa ano, arinan. Parang Donald.
Donaldi. Bob. It looks like a normal ruler at first, but it's dun 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 dun. Go again.
Kaya ba? Ay, di kaya ba?
Oh, po!
Ano gagawin sa yan? Busy ka lagi. Hindi na maganda eh.
So guys, it's almost there. So bye bye. Peace.